O General, the brand name in air conditioning by Fujitsu General Japan, now delivering the VRF system to the Middle East market. VRF means Variable Refrigerant Flow System. It provides energy savings, design flexibility, and easy installation. For building air conditioning. This time, O General introduces the new generation VRF system, AirStage V3 Tropical Series. O General VRF Generation. In 2001, first generation VRF enters the Middle East market with capacities up to 10 HP and 3 compressor technology. In 2009, second generation VRF is introduced with capacities up to 48 HP and features like a 4-phases heat exchanger and inverter-driven technology. Fujitsu General further advances in technology and in 2016 introduces the high ambient temperature compatible AirStage V3 Tropical Series with large capacities up to 54 HP and all inverter technology. New VRF system AirStage V3 Tropical features. There are 3 major features: high performance, high energy savings, and high reliability. As high performance features, extended lineup of outdoor units, from 8 HP to 18 HP, helps to make a large capacity system with the class-leading 18 HP outdoor unit. The multiple outdoor unit lineup helps to make a variety of system combinations from small systems of 8 HP up to large systems of 54 HP, with a total of 39 system combinations. Thanks to large system capacity, it is possible to cool large building areas by connecting a maximum of 55 indoor units. Smart installation. As high-performance feature. For making large capacity systems, the new VRF system requires less number of outdoor units. Resulting in space savings, cost savings, and installation time savings. Furthermore, design flexibility as high-performance feature. Flexibility in piping work allows extending the total pipe length to a maximum of 1,000 meters and actual pipe length 165 meters. Furthermore, the system allows 90 meters pipe length from the first branching to last indoor unit. On the other hand, flexibility in outdoor unit installation is also considered. Outdoor unit can be installed in any place, either in an open area or in a room with exhaust ducting. High energy savings is one of the major features of new VRF. Energy efficiency of the new VRF increases dramatically with Fujitsu General technology. As technology, DC inverter-driven compressor, DC inverter fan motor and DC inverter control PCB are introduced. In addition, high-efficiency refrigerant flow control mechanism and sophisticated operation control mechanism are also introduced. Furthermore, high reliability feature. Even with the extreme conditions of the Middle East, the VRF system can run continuously at high ambient temperatures. In addition, all metallic parts, thin surface of heat exchanger, PCB component and electrical parts. All these components are safeguarded with anti-corrosion treatment for protection against the harsh environment of the Middle East. Regarding indoor unit, various types of indoor units are available in lineup, such as mini duct, high static pressure duct, four-way cassette, and others, which can be selected from 12 types and 84 models. Furthermore, for air conditioning management control, different types of individual controllers, such as wireless type, wired type with backlight feature, are available. Touch panel controllers are available for centralized control of each floor of a building. In addition, system controllers are also available for large centralized control of a building. Furthermore, monitoring VRF systems operation status, error status, from remote sites through the internet is also possible with the Fujitsu General Intelligent Web Monitoring Tool. O General, high energy savings, high ambient temperature compatible. New VRF system, AirStage V3 Tropical Series from Fujitsu General Limited, Japan.